Alright, number 6, we want to use a change of variable to solve the integral. So we have integral of 2x times x squared minus 5 to the 99th power. Alright, so when you solve or set u, usually an inside term, or whenever you do the derivative, you want it to equal the outside. And so it looks like we want u to equal x squared minus 5. If we do derivative of u, so du, when we do change of variable, this will give us 2x dx with respect to x. And we have a 2x dx. So when we evaluate it with u, we'll have this goes to be u, so we'll have a u to the 99th. The 2x dx are equal to du. And then when we evaluate it, add 1, divide by 100. So we have u to the 100th power divided by 100 equal, or plus c, plus c would be our integral. And then we can replace u with x squared minus 5 raised to the 100th power divided by 100 plus c. That would be our integral. And so u would be that inside x squared minus 5 integral in terms of u, so that would just be u to the 99th du, which they already have the du at the end. So just u to the 99th here. And then evaluate the integral, so we'll have it in terms of x now. X squared minus 5 raised to the 100th power divided by 100 plus c. Number 7, we're going to do a change of variable here. So we're integrating 2x squared over the square root of 7 minus 8x cubed dx. So inside function, because it's a smaller power, so if I see a smaller power, I'm always going to use the bigger power to be x. So x to the third, when I take the derivative, I'll get an x squared, so I'm going to start there. U equals 7 minus 8x to the third. Derivative of u, derivative of a constant is 0, negative 24x squared dx. Alright, so I have an x squared dx, but don't have a 2. So this 2 I'm going to pull out, and then this 24 I'm going to have to divide it. So we're looking at negative 1 over 24 du is equal to x squared dx. So when I substitute, the 2 will come out, the over 24 will come out, and this will be 1 over the square root of u du. And then I'll think about this as a u to the negative 1/2 power. And when I do the power rule, add 1, so subtract a half from 1, it'll give me a half, and divide by half. So I'm looking at, reduce that, will be a negative 1 over 12, and then it'll be u to the 1/2 divided by a half. So you'll keep change flip that half, and it'll be a 2. So we are looking at negative 2 over 12. That 2 is from keep change flip here, over 12. U is now the square root of 7 minus 8x to the third, and this can be reduced to be just over 6, so negative square root 7 minus 8x cubed over 6 as a final. And looks like that's all we want here, so negative square root of 7 minus 8x cubed all over 6, and don't forget the plus c, plus the constant.